In this tutorial, we will show you how to operate a soda siphon. First, unscrew the head of the dispenser and take out the straw and gasket. Fill the dispenser to the red line, or exactly 1 liter or 4 cups of water. And put the straw and gasket back in the siphon. Next, screw the head back on, and using your cartridge holder, take one 8-gram CO2 charger and dispense it in the dispenser. Agitate the water by shaking it very well. Unscrew the cartridge holder and replace with the silver cap. Refrigerate the soda siphon initially for 3 to 5 hours for optimal effervescence.